In this video, we want to design our cart index. So for that, rather than writing all the CSS and HTML, I have provided snippet inside section 9 shopping cart index UI. We will copy this and paste it right here. It's all HTML and CSS. We first need to define the model here, and that is inside mango.models.cartDTO. With that in place, let me run the application and see how it looks. And right here, let's go to the shopping cart. And great, you can see the shopping cart template looks great. Do not worry about the coupon that I have right here. Nothing is functional. What we need to do is we just need to display all of the product name, image, price, count, and order total. And then when we hit continue shopping, it should take us to the home page and we won't worry about checkout right now. So let's complete that. And before we proceed any further, rather than displaying all of the items in the form here, we should check if there are any items or not. So we'll have an if condition, and if model.cartHeader is not null, and if model.cartDetails.count is greater than 0. If this is true, only then we want to display the form. In the else part, we'll just display a div tag. And in there, in a paragraph, we will display please add items to cart. We will indent this, so Ctrl A, Ctrl KD, and let's go up. Inside the form, we want few of the fields as hidden. The first one is ASP4. We want the cart header dot user ID. We will make this a hidden field because when the form is posted, we want to get this detail. Along with that, we also want the header ID for the shopping cart. So we'll get the cart header ID as well. Then we have the continue shopping. When a user clicks that, it should take to the ASP action of index, and the controller for that will be home controller because we want to go to the home page. We have the details here, product details, price and count. These are just the labels. Here are all the details. So this details will have to display for every product in our cart detail. So right here we will have a for each loop, and we will say variable cart obj in model.cartDetails. So for each one of them, we'll be displaying this details. We'll cut the ending block and I will paste that after the HR block. Then let me modify the placeholder with the actual image, which is inside cart obj.product.image URL. The next one is product name, which is inside cart obj.product.name. I can copy this one. Next will be the description, and here we can use html.raw. Then we have the price, so we can format string.format. We want the currency format here, so 0:C, comma, the price is inside cart obj.product.price. Next we have the count here, that is inside the cart obj.count. And right here we have an anchor tag with the CSS classes of btn, btn outline danger, and a trash icon. This will be used when we want to remove anything from the shopping cart. So for that, we'll be creating an action here with the name of remove. We don't have that inside the cart controller, but we will create that. On top of that, when we want to delete anything from the shopping cart, we have a unique ID, which is the cart detail ID. So that is the ID that we want to pass using the tag helper ASP route, and I will call this cart details ID. That is inside cart obj.cartDetailsID. Great, this is looking good. Next we have the code here to apply coupon code. We will come back to this later on. I don't want to spend any time to confuse you on coupon code right now. We just want to display order total here, so we can copy the string format, paste it right here, and this will be inside model.cartHeader.orderTotal. Then we will scroll down where we have the checkout button. I will just add the action method for checkout, but we have not created this yet. We will do this in the upcoming video. With this, let me save everything and run the application. We have two products in our shopping cart, so let me log in first. Let's go to the shopping cart, and perfect. We have both the products here with their description, price, as well as the order total. If you hit continue shopping, it should take us back to the home page, and it's working as expected. In the next video, let's work on removing an item from the shopping cart.